In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always appear active on Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into it. So you might wonder why you'd want to appear active on Slack all the time. It could be to stay connected with your team, ensure collaboration flows smoothly, or maybe even to give off the impression that you're always on top of things. Whatever your reason might be, I'm here to show you a simple method that involves adjusting your computer's power settings. Let's get started. First, you need to open up the Windows search bar. You can do this either by clicking on the search icon in the taskbar, or an even quicker way is to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the search box where you can type. Now, in that search bar, type in Edit Power Plan. You should see this option pop up in the list. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens. This is the area that controls how your computer manages power, including when it turns off the display. Once you're in the Edit Power Plan settings, you'll need to locate the section that says Turn off the display. It might take a second to find it, but it should be listed there somewhere. This setting is crucial because if your display turns off, Slack will think you're inactive, which means your status will change to away. Now, here's the important part. You'll see a drop-down menu next to Turn off the display with a current time setting. Perhaps it's 20 minutes or whatever your computer's default is. You want to change this setting to Never. This simple adjustment keeps your display on, which means Slack will consider you active. To change it, just click that drop-down menu and select Never. It's that easy. Once you've made that change, don't forget to click on Save Changes. This is essential. If you skip this step, your settings won't stick and you'll revert back to the previous settings. And that's it. You've now adjusted your power settings so that your display won't turn off, allowing Slack to keep you showing as active. Just remember, while it is beneficial for collaboration purposes, it's still important to manage your time wisely. If you step away from your computer, don't forget to update your status manually to avoid sending mixed signals to your team. So to recap, open the search bar, find Edit Power Plan, adjust the Turn off the display setting to Never, and remember to save your changes. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this little trick helpful in your day-to-day work life. If you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you want more content like this.